Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to print black and white. So you have this example document, and if you want to print black and white, you can go to file, click print, and then choose your printer. I will use this example printer. And the next you can go to printer properties. In here you can check for grayscale. So it'll be automatically set into black and white. After it, you can click OK, and then you can print out the document. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to print black and white. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.